Today I'm going to show you how to do dead bugs. This is a stabilizing workout for your abs and your low back. If you are suffering with low back pain, this can help strengthen the core and help with the low back as well. We give this to most of our low back patients and hip patients, and if you're not able to come into the office, you can try this at home and see how this helps you. So you're on the ground, and you're gonna have your scapula's wing bone pushed back. Make sure your chin is neutral, right? So my chin is at rest. Scaps pushed down and back like so. And I have a slight natural curve in my low back. And I'm gonna take a deep breath out. My low back drops. Notice how there's no tilt in my pelvis. My pelvis hasn't moved. I'm not doing this. My glutes are relaxed right now. Wing bones are pushed back. Belly is down, and I'm gonna come up like here. And I'm holding here right now. I'm gonna come down and come back up. The moment I feel an arch in my low back increase, I pull back up. So the reason why I bring back our wing bone is to also add strength to the T-spine as well. I'm not hinging at the pelvis. I'm keeping it neutral while engaging the rest of my muscles. And that's how we do our dead bugs. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. If you go home and try this and it seems to help or it doesn't, let us know in the comments as well. We love to hear feedback about how we do. Stay tuned for more.